Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Fit Life 509, where you will have a wonderful workout session with me, Carla Léonard. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Like the video, comment and share. Please let us know how the workout session went for you today. We are going to work out our thighs, our legs, and our butt. So today it will be a lower body focused session. So get ready and remember our right. Before we start, take the time. We tell ourselves, I am going to enjoy this workout session. Even if it's hard, I will enjoy it. All my body, all my muscles will enjoy it. I can do it and I will do it. So yeah, we are ready to start. We will start with our warm-up and stretching. Okay, spread the legs wide, bend on the right side, the left, right, come to center, left, center, right, center, left, center. One last time. Okay. Now we turn to one side. Let's go to the left one. We stretch the left leg. Okay. We'll fold and we stretch. Okay. And stretch. Let's change. Legs. Straight. Fold. Straight. Okay, let's go back to center. Now we are going to stretch the hamstrings. We change. Change again. Okay. The muscles are well stretched. Let's shake it. Shake the legs. And let's get started. First exercise. As modification, we are just going to do this. Open, left, and right. Or if you can, let's do some squat jacks, okay? We are not going too low. Get ready, go. It's to prepare the thighs. For an intensive workout. Okay. Second exercise, squat and knee up. Let's spread the legs the same width as our shoulders. We go down. There are some basic squats, okay? Okay, let's shake it. Let's breathe for 5 seconds and let's repeat the first set. Get ready, go. Okay, let's keep going. Get ready, go. We are doing only 12 squats. Ooh, that's good. Shake it. And let's repeat one last time the first set. Get ready, go. Woo! It's good. And now, let's do the squats. Get ready, go. With a smile. Put a smile on your face. Okay? We are telling ourselves that we are enjoying it. We are having a good time. We love what we are doing. I forgot to count. But I hope you did more than 12 reps. Okay. First set, checked. Done. Let's breathe for 20 seconds before we start with the second set. Okay, did you breathe well? Let's do the second set of 3 exercises. The first exercise is like we did the last time. We are going to alternate the legs, okay? The feet are kept together in the center and we just do lateral squats. Get ready, go. The body is straight. We don't bend over. Okay. Now we are doing sumo squats. We are going to do 8 reps. Legs are spread. to a comfortable position, and we go down. We go low. We go down in 3 times, and we go back up in 1 time. To 4, we are up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 and 8. Easy peasy. Third exercise, we are doing reverse lunges. Basic version. I would like you to really master the moves. We start here and we send the leg back. Basic version. And we change. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are doing 8 reps on each leg. Get ready, go! Two, 3, 4, 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 'Last one. 'And voila! Let's breathe. 5 seconds. And we do it again. Take the time to shake the legs, to release the tension in the muscles. Okay? Let's repeat the second set. First exercise. Get ready. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now sumo squats. Get ready. And 3 times to go low and 1 time to go up. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. It's very good for the inner thighs. Okay, now reverse lunges. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you are doing it at the same pace as me. Woo! Basic version doesn't mean it doesn't take effort. Allez, let's check it. Only one more rep to go of the second set. Okay, let's go. First exercise. Lateral squats. Get ready, go. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Easy. Now, sumo squats. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Two more to go. That's really good. Okay. Last but no least, we almost finished. 3, 4, get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4. 5. 2 more to go. On each leg, of course. Okay. Let's breathe for 20 seconds and we come back for the last set. It will be only 2 exercises. For the last set, we are going to the mat. We are on the floor or on the mat. We're doing the bridge. Okay. As you can see, the hip, the butt, they are up. When we are up, we spread the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are doing 10 reps. Second exercise, we got leg high raise, leg raise scissors. It's good also for the abs. It also works the thighs. Get ready, go. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's breathe. 5 seconds. And we do it again. Okay. Let's go up like a bridge. Let's pull up the hip. The core is tight and we focus on our thighs and our glutes. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. You get it, right? Two more to go. 10. We continue with the leg raise scissors. 4 to go up and 4 to go down. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. You get it. Okay. Let's breathe 5 seconds. Let's do one last rep of this set. Let's do the bridge. Get ready, go. You should really feel it in your butt. It's very good for the glutes. Last exercise. Get ready. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's hard, but it's good. 11, 12. Woo. We are doing 8. Up and down. Okay. It's really good. I don't know about you, but I really loved it. Now, let's cool down. We work the legs and thighs a lot. Let's stretch them. Okay. Let's place the left leg to the front. Let's bend to the front leg side. And now we stretch the front leg. We bend over it. Let's put it back. Let's change leg. Let's place the right leg to the front this time. Okay. And let's stretch. And we bend over the right side. And now we stretch the right leg. Okay, let's go back up. We are doing some slow sumo squats to really stretch the leg and the whole body. Really slow. Do it again. One last time. Now, to the left, to the right. Let's bend the legs. One last time. Let's go back to center. Hey, up! Voila! That's it! I hope that you are going to like this session. And next workout will be on this channel. It will be even better than this one. Thank you to all our subscribers, those who like and comment the videos. Thank you for your suggestions.